gonna go do the milk run with Tucker and Parker. Breaking new ground. I don't think we've ever tried the triple duo before. Good job, buddy. I love you.
I didn't get wet.
You didn't get wet?
Yeah, just like the waterfall.
Let's do it, Parker. Let's do it, Tucker.
Hi, Mathis. You want to talk now?
Don't hit any rocks.
Okay. Yeah! Backwards! You having fun? The duo trio race. Pretty awesome. Dad points all the way.
Hey, Mathis!
Yeah, we'll turn him around. Come on, Mathis! More guys, high fives! Hey! Yeah! Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up! Whoa, Tucker, show me yours. You got a 3. We just did the race to the grill, tripled it, and we got a 3rd place. Whoa! What'd you get, Mathis? 3rd. What'd you get, Tucker? 3rd. Daddy and Parker 3rd. I think we all tied. 3rd. Yeah! Awesome. Fun times. Dad points.
It's still filming, Daddy.
Okay.